Describe the picture. Look at the picture for few seconds and then describe. A farm life. There is a big green tree with lots of leaves. Under the tree, there is a fluffy white sheep. Next to the sheep, there are 3 chicks and 1 chicken. One chicken is big with brown in color. The other 3 chicks are small and yellow. Behind the tree, there is a small hut. The hut has a round door and a thatched roof. The hut looks like it is made of wood. There are mushrooms in front of the hut. The mushrooms are red with white spots. There are green hills in the background. The hills are rolling and look very peaceful. The sky above is clear and blue. There is a calm blue lake on the front side of the hill. The whole scene looks very colorful and bright. Picture description. What color is the tree? The tree is green. How many sheep are there? There is 1 sheep. How many chickens are in the picture? There are 3 chicks and 1 chicken. Is it night time in this picture? No, it's an evening time. What is next to the tree? There is a hut next to the tree. Is there a lake in the picture? Yes, there is a lake. What shape is the door of the hut? The door is round. How many mushrooms are there? There are 4 mushrooms. What color are the mushrooms? The mushrooms are red with white spots. What is the roof of the hut made of? The roof is made of thatch.